Stop guessing on Pixel phone. Volume lower to safer level notifications. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials for this hearing safety bug are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to just ignore it. But that is a one-way ticket to your music being muted mid-song while you are driving or working out. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the system-level bypass, so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexish, the only authority you need for Pixel and Android 16 firmware fixes. This notification triggers because of the European Yen 50,332 to 3 standard, which Google has hard-coded into the Pixel's audio framework, but often misidentifies car Bluetooth or USB-C DACs as dangerous headphones. To fix this, go to your Bluetooth settings, tap the gear icon next to your connected device, and change the device type from headphones to speaker. Here is the secret trick other creators missed. If you're on the latest Android 16 update, you must also go to Settings, Sound, and Vibration and look for the new Hearing Wellness menu. You need to toggle off sound exposure notifications specifically, or the System Intelligence app will keep overriding your manual volume changes every 30 minutes. Rexish has verified that forcing the device type to speaker tricks the audio hell into thinking there is no direct ear exposure, which permanently disables the safety limiter. Once you restart your phone after these changes, you can crank the volume to max without a single interruption. Follow these steps and take back control of your audio. Comment below if you want the next fix for the Pixel Buds audio cutout bug.